Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello ma'am, my name is Ahmad Karim Jihan. You can call me Haris. I am from English Literature 3B. Okay, today I will discuss about an interesting idea which my speaking assistant certainly. Last week I was read the extraordinary book. The author is Veronica Roth. The title of Divergent. Okay. In the futuristic city of dystopian Chicago, society is divided into five factions: abnegation, the selfless, amity, the peaceful, candor, the honest, dauntless, the brave, and erudite, the intellectual. The remaining population are the factionless, who have no status or privilege in the society. When children reach the age of 16, they undergo a serum indicated psychology aptitude test which indicates their best satisfaction, but they are allowed to choose any faction as their permanent group at the subsequent choosing ceremony. Betty Pryor was born into abnegation, which runs the government. Her father, Andrew Pryor, serves on the ruling council along with the head of abnegation. Marcus Eaton, Beatrice takes the test with the dauntless woman as her proctor. Her results show equal attribute of multiple faction, which means that she is divergent. Her divergence includes abnegation, erudite, and dauntless. Tori records her result as abnegation, wants her to keep the true result a secret, and say that because divergent can think independently and are aware of any serum injected into them, the government cannot control them and consider them to be threats to be exciting social order. Then the next day at the cursing ceremony, Beatrice's brother Caleb chose erudite, and after some hesitation, Beatrice chose dauntless. After the ceremony, Beatrice meets Christina, Al, and Will, three other entities from the other faction who also choose dauntless. Christina and Al are from Candor, and Will is from Erudite. The entities' commitment and fearlessness are immediately tested, and Eric Coulter, Jay Coultney, a brutal dauntless leader, makes it clear that anyone not meeting the high expectation of dauntless will exploit from the faction to become factionless. Beatrice is the first to volunteer for a leap of faith from a tall building into a dark hole and lands into a net. When for a transfer initiates instructor asks her name, she decides to shorten it to Tris, so she can leave her Errol indebted behind. Tris initially struggles in dauntless training and ranks far below the cutoff after the first evolution, but with the first help, she slowly improves. After Eric matches her against her name's Candor Temperature Peter has. In a fight, Trish is calmly defeated and ends up in the infirmary. When she discovers that she will miss the most important test, capture the flag, and she leaves the infirmary, join the order in the test, secures her team's victory, and makes the final cut in the next phase of training. The initiates are subject to psychological simulation in which they face their worst fears. Trace divergent allow her to excel at the test, which she solves by unusual was what for warms her to higher abilities and to solve the challenge as a normal dauntless world. A divergent can also manipulate the answer rooms. Tracy visits Caleb, who tells her that Erudite is planning to overthrow Abnegation and become the ruling faction. On her return to Dauntless headquarters, Trish is attacked by Al, Peter, and Drew before she is rescued by Four. The next day, Al pleads with Trish for the forgiveness, but she refuses and calls him a coward. He later kills himself by jumping into the camps rather and leave the same. To prepare her for the final test, For takes interest into his own first simulation in which learned that his real name is Tobias Eaton, the son of Marcus Eaton. After the simulation, they kiss. Trish then passes her test and is officially initiated into Dauntless. The rest of Dauntless are injected with a serum supplied by Erudite, which is supposedly for a tracking about actually for mind control. The next morning, the Dauntless prepare to execute abnegation under order of the Erudites. As Divergent are affected by the new serum, three must blend in to avoid suspicion. So she finds Ford, who reveals himself as a Divergent, when the Dauntless move to raid abnegation. Trish and Ford separate from the group and attempt to locate Trish's parents, but Eric realizes the Four is not under control. They capture both of them. Four is taken into custody and Trish ordered to be executed. Her mother Natalie appears and saves her, but is shot and killed as they try to escape. Trish finds her father in hiding with Caleb, Marcus, and several abnegation members. The group sneaks into Dauntless headquarters where this encounter Peter and force him to lead them erudite control center. Her father sacrifices himself in a shootout, and Trish goes in alone to find Four, who is now under stranger mind control, which is designed for Divergent and attacks her. Using her knowledge of his fears, she manages to wake him from the mind control, and both enter the central control room, where the erudite leader Jenny is about to have the Dauntless army execute the anti-abomination faction. Trish used a sample of the mind control serum on her to force her to cancel the program. The program escaped the compound and both and trained out of the complex. Okay, the conclusion is book was incredible for me, unique and different than other book which was read before. Thank you for attention and apologize about my pronounce and grammar. I know it was absolutely worse. Thank you man. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.